on, fight.
Stop.
Skateboard.
Hi, I'm Haley.
Hi, I'm Camille.
Hi, we have a channel, but this is not on our channel, okay?
It's like random.
These are our original voices. This is my original voice.
Yeah, that's not helium too.
I know, it's not. Shut up. It's not. Yeah, it's not my helium voice.
Screaming Aaron boy.
Yeah, he's weird. Okay, you're the camera person.
Okay.
Don't even drop that camera.
I will not.
We're going on a rollerblading ride, and he's
We're gonna have fun.
I'm trying to be on. Oh crap!
Okay, we have a confession.
What?
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, the pool! That's like our catchphrase, dude.
Stop trying to be on
That's
the
like our
camera,
catchphrase. Because like every famous person needs a catchphrase, and we're trying to
I'm going to be super famous.
yeah, we're going to be super famous, even
I'm
though
super famous.
yeah. So in the intro,
So close.
go away, screaming at third. A bit of boo. You go ahead, because we need to record something.
Why?
Wait, no, you be the record person, because I'm faster than you. Here. I'll drop it.
I promise. Get out! Stop! Stop bouncing.
Up to you, the pool. No way, Aaron boy.
I've been in the pool.
I almost fell again.
Yeah, he's going to make me fall. He's putting his skateboard into my skates. Help people!
Is it still on the board?
No, sir.
Anything we need to talk about that our viewers need to know?
I hate that dude. He's annoying me.
Okay.
And my name's Haley.
I love Bubble.
I love bubbles.
I know Bubble in Japanese.
I like bubblegum.
Babadoos are fun.
I like bubblegum.
I like babadoos.
I like bubblegum.
Babadoo gum. Babadoo gum. Babadoo gum. Babadoo gum. Bubble.
He's going real fast. I can't go that fast. Okay, we'll come back later.